guys, if you're new here, this is Fem and Y. We're glad to have you here, and to all of you, those already subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and welcome. For today's video, I'll be making this beautiful balloon column. It's twist balloon column with a twist. And with that said, these are the materials in front of us. So we have 9 inches balloon, black and red, 5 inches balloon, which is gold and white. So we will pair this up. We have a red and a white, 5 inches, 9 inches. We'll inflate this. Make sure it's nice and round. So for the 5 inches balloon, we'll inflate this to 5 inches as well. And this one is 9 inches balloon, we'll inflate this to 8 inches. Now we have 5 inches inflated to 5 inches and 9 inches balloon inflated to 8 inches. So you pair this up, tie it just like that, put this on the side. Now we'll work on the other two colors. We have our black 9 inches balloon, 5 inches balloon gold. The same thing, we'll inflate this to 5 inches. And this is 8 inches. So just like that. Alright, there you go. So we already inflated all our balloons. So you need 13 pairs of this color and 13 pairs of this color. Okay. So we need our balloon stand. We will put the link in the description down below where to get this balloon stand. I connected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. Okay, and each connection I tape them with clear tape just to support. So once the balloon is on here, it's not gonna pop out on you. Okay, so with that said, let's attach this. Put this on top right here, and this one crisscross like that. Once you do that, you lock this in the pool by switching or by twisting your gold and white. Right there. Okay, so now we're going to the second layer. This time you put your big red balloon on top of the black, and then black right there. Same thing opposite with gold and white, and then you crisscross, and then again twist your gold and white. Push it down a little. Okay, you can see that it goes this way sideways, and then the white. Same thing with red and black. Make sure this balloon falls in between the gap, in between balloons. Now we're going to the third layer. So now, fourth layer. So keep an eye on the color arrangement. Just check every now and then. So this is what we're gonna do. Just continue on until you get to the top portion of your balloon stand. Alright, so let's continue on. I put this on the floor because it's kind of too high. And just continue. So you can see the spiral design right now. Alright, let's continue on. Alright, so now we're in the last part. This is the 13th layer. This here, then black, twist. So look for gaps. Looking good. So now for the top 2 layers, I use 5 inches balloons. So with the same color combination, we have gold 5 inches and black 5 inches inflated to 5 inches as well. Same thing on this color. So you need this, and then you're gonna put your balloon like that, and twist your gold and white. So it looks beautiful right there, and then on the top we will put this flower arrangement. We'll stick this on the top right here where you see the balloon stick. Stick this right in here. Spread them around. And there you go, it's finally done. This is our balloon column. It's a swirl design. Hope you like this and learn something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. And please let us know where you're from so we know where this video has reached. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.